Which brand is the best for perfect small flat screen phones? After looking around, it's still the Vivo. In terms of looks, it is never lost, especially the Vivo S series, which always gives people a refreshing feeling. This time, the S30 series has packed flagship configurations into this colorful and vibrant small flat screen phone. This might be the most youth-friendly, high-value small screen phone best suited for girls. The exterior design is simple yet dynamic. The S30 Pro Mini in my hand has a very mini appearance, but its performance, configuration, and battery life are very pro. The body thickness is less than 8 millimeters, giving it a long-missed compact feel. Don't let its small size fool you. It has a large 6.31-inch screen. The camera module in the top left corner is also small and exquisite, doesn't take up space, and has a great visual effect. It also brings a 1-to-1 weight-balanced comfortable grip, so you won't feel tired even after playing on the phone for a long time. The S series has 5 color options, and the one I have is mint green. The brand new aerospace aluminum alloy middle frame boldly adopts a colorful design, transitioning to AG frosted glass of the same color. The touch is silky smooth, and the appearance is versatile, making it very pleasant to look at. If you like something bolder, you can choose cool berry pink and lemon yellow, 2 contrasting color combinations. Vivo has created the sweetest phone this early summer. The S30 standard version also has a 6.67-inch thin and light small flat screen. Such a flagship small flat screen phone with dopamine color. I believe you will definitely be tempted.